How to fix WhatsApp status not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing on Android phone first. Then all you need to do is just go to settings and then click apps and now apps again, and then just scroll down until you find the WhatsApp. Wait, and here you will find it. Click on it and then just click storage and then click clear cache and then click here for stop, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone. Click on this one here and that's it. It will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.